Hey guys, here's your quiz. Make sure you show your work and write your answers over in the answer blank over on the side. So on this first couple here, we're going to find the value of x. We just need to set up a proportion. So remember, we're going to say x over what equals whatever what. So I'm going to start with x. I'm going to put him over 36. Which means my second fraction, I'm going to go the same direction. I went right to left. So up here you need to go right to left for this next fraction over here. Okay, so set that up. Then cross multiply and solve for x. Same thing in number 2. I always start with the variable. So here I'm going to go x over 10. So I kind of look at this as going top over bottom. So on this one you should go top over bottom, cross multiply and solve. In question number 3, so again we're going to start, I always start with x over, and this time I'm going to say x over 28 is equal to, and again, I went right to left, so on this next fraction, go right to left again with these two numbers. Okay, on numbers 4 and 5, they want us to draw the dilation of ABC, and they're giving us a scale factor of 0.5. So what we will do is we'll multiply each one of these by 0.5, and that'll give you the new coordinates. So your new coordinates would be A prime, B prime, and C prime. So what are the new x and y coordinates for your shape? So you want to start off by plotting what you do have. So you'd want to plot each of these first on the graph. Okay, plot them on here. And then plot the new points that you get after you multiply all of these by 0.5. Plot the new points as well. That's exactly what you're also doing on number 5, only your scale factor here is 1.5. So you multiply all these by 1.5. And I would again make sure I write down my new coordinates. Okay, if you have questions, make sure you ask. And that is the end of your quiz. So take your time. Make sure you've checked your work up here. Did make any silly mistakes with our cross multiplying. Double check your multiplication here and that you drew the new shapes. And have a great rest of your day. God bless you.